Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool talk, and it's a tool talk and not a tool review because Amazon has just been sticking it to me in the last little bit. It seems like probably 50% of my orders in the last month or so have been wrong. My wife even ordered some curtain rods, and we ended up getting some twin mattresses in the mail. And they said it was the curtain rod. So I don't know what's going on at my local like Amazon distribution warehouse or whatever it might be. But there's been a couple tools that I've been trying to get for the last month, and I just can't get the right tool. You know, Amazon will not send me the right tool for me to be able to review them for you. But I wanted to go ahead and make this video because, again, you might live somewhere where your distribution warehouse is going to get, your stuff's going to get pulled from a different one. You might can get the right tool. And two of the tools that I've been trying to get, one is a Sperry non-contact voltage tester. It's the VD6505. Back in the Sanatronics non-contact voltage tester video that I've got, many of you mentioned, because I like this one because of it's not as sensitive as other ones, and you said that Sperry had a variable sensitivity where you could kind of adjust it. And I remember specifically that Jesus Strong mentioned that the VD505 was the older model, but that's the one that he's had the best success with. That's the one that he knew the most about. So I kept trying to get that one, and they would send me the VD509, which is their newer version. And you can even see here on the back of the packaging, the Amazon sticker where they're pulling it, it says VD505. But if I flip it around on my package, it's the VD509. And that one's got a flashlight, and it was staying on all the time. You know, I got it out of the package and kind of looked at it. But I really wanted to get the one that was recommended because I just wanted to use that one. So, and plus the VD505 was more expensive. So I kept sending it back. I thought, well, maybe they just stuck the wrong sticker on one, and I got three of those things, VD509. I finally just gave up on it. So if I'm going to get that one, I'm probably going to have to get it on eBay or something like that. So that's just not going to happen for me. But the other tool, and the reason why I wanted to go ahead and share this, is because back in the Klein Tools, this is the 9-in-1 pass-through nut driver set. So, you know, you got 9 different SAE sizes. Yeah, it's passed through. Again, I got a video for this, but this there for a little while at Home Depot. This one's going to run you $30, and you just couldn't find it. It was like it disappeared online. You couldn't find it in the stores. My store now has them back in stock, so if you've been looking for them, because I got several comments on that channel, hey, where can I even find these at, or on that video, and you know, they are back in stock now. But that's why I'm sharing this with you, because this is the VACO. It's $10 less, so $19.99. 9-in-1 VAC 1090, and you can see it's got 3/16 through 3/4. This is SAE, but according to Amazon, they've got two different listings. One is the VAC 1090 and one is the VAC 1091, and the 1091 has metric sizes. It's got all these sizes. I'll put them up here maybe so that you can see the metric sizes. And it is identical to the Klein Tools, so I'm not opening these. This is the 4th section of these. You know, I've ordered 2, sent them back, ordered 2 more. I still keep getting the SAE. I've ordered the 1091 every single time, so I don't know if the 1091 exists or if they just don't have 1091s, or they've got 1090s in the 1091 slot at my Amazon. Of course, you probably got robots, you know, pulling these things. There's nobody looking at them or anything like that, even though I've returned them every time and said, you know, I ordered the 1091, you're sending me the 1090. There's no double checking going on. That's just not going to happen in the processes today. But so there's a $10 cheaper option than this. If you were interested in getting this and you couldn't find the Klein, and you don't really matter to you that it's Klein or VACO or whatever, it's exactly, other than the handle, you know, you take away the handle, the difference in it, and size wise it's the same. These parts right here, exactly identical as the other, except for you are missing the color. So if you really like the colors for $10 to be able to know the sizes, you can do that. But if I take these pieces out and stick them beside the VACO, I mean, they're exactly the same exact size. So you're not going to be any different with that. So it's exactly the same screwdriver. I was hoping that I was going to be able to get a metric, and again, that's why I'm sharing this. You can try to get yourself a metric, a 1091 if you want to. I'll put links in the description for both of them. Maybe they'll pull it from a different warehouse than what they're pulling mine from, and maybe you'll actually get it. But let me know in the comments below if you order a VACO 1091 and you actually get the metric sizes. I just want to know that they exist because I'm just curious, because you can't buy them anywhere else. These and the SAE and the metric are only available on Amazon, or as far as I can tell. So also in the comments, let me know if you can find that 1091 somewhere else. Let me know that as well. But again, just letting you know these are out there. It's a tool talk, not a tool review, because I can't really review these. I'm sending these back. Obviously, I don't need the SAE, and I definitely don't need 2 of them, but because I've already got the Klein SAE, and it's exactly the same tool, so there's no sense in me opening these just to show you the parts. You can watch this video. It's exactly the same. Just imagine a VACO handle on it. So let me know in the comments below if that's a tool that you've been looking for. Also, let me know if you bought this Klein one since that video, how well you've been liking that, how much you've been using it. But again, I went ahead and shared it with you. Maybe it's going to save you some money if you haven't bought this one yet. And then also, maybe you can get the metric one. I sure can't, but hopefully you can. And I'd like to know that it exists. But hope it was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.